Hi families, I'm creating a video today to share with you what to do in the event of an inclement weather day. The first thing your child's going to need to do is to sign onto the internet and go to our Chested homepage. Then you're going to come over to where it says class link, all right? And then you're going to log in. Now, mine automatically comes up, but your child will need to type in their username and password, which is located in their Go book. Once they get to this page, we're going to click over to It's Learning. And when we go to It's Learning, the first home screen is going to pop up. We're going to go to Courses. We're going to click Courses, and then we're going to go to your child's teacher's name. It might say Miss Tricia's first grade. It might say something like that, something about their information. And then you're going to scroll down till you find where it says, we're going to click Plans. And then here you're going to see School Closure Lesson 4, and then you'll see the date, whatever that date is that the school is closed. And then here you're going to find a description of the activities that they're going to need to complete, and we'll go over that in just a second. Here you're going to find some information about the snow day procedure. What you'll find is when grades information will be posted. We'll also be having digital office hours where you can contact us via email if you have any questions or come upon any problems as you are your child's getting their work done. You're also going to find we've staggered the workload. So if the first day that we have an inclement weather day, they will do these assignments. And then on the second day, if we have the next one, we would be doing these assignments. So we're not doing every subject every day. And so that really helps the students. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to get to the first activity. We're going to click on the link under Resources, and we're going to listen to the story called The Legend of the Teddy Bear. And then we're going to click on the assignment and write some facts that they learned about Theodore Roosevelt. So if you scroll down, here's the resource section, and we use this a lot in our classroom when we're doing math games or listen to reading things. So here's the story, The Legend of the Teddy Bear. So it will come up, and we'll click this button, and you'll listen to the story here. When the story is over, let me go back just a second. Once the story is over, your child's going to go back to this section again, and over here there's going to be an activity for him to she to complete, and you're going to click on the one that says The Legend of the Teddy Bear, and this is just an example of how the activities will go. Here you're going to click the button that says Start New Thread. When you click that button, your child can type his or her name here, and in this space they're going to complete the activity by telling us one or two things that they learned about Theodore Roosevelt. It's very important when they're finished to click the Save button so that the information is then shared with their teacher. All right, so let me go back. The next activity, let me go back to our lesson here. And usually this will be found on the very front of the planner. It's just because I'm doing this a little early. It's just a little bit further down. The next activity said that they're going to listen to Brain Pop about continents and oceans, and then click on the assignment, Continents and Oceans, and write a sentence naming your favorite continent or ocean and tell why. So this is an important part of the activity. If it says Brain Pop, that your child is going to need to go back to this page, the class link page, and they're going to need to go to the Brain Pop app and then open it up. When that opens up, then they can go back to the tab that's It's Learning, and then this little video will play, and then they'll be able to listen to this. After the video is over, they're going to go back to kind of the same thing that they did before. They're going to go back to the activities again. Go back to planner, sorry. And then right here, they're going to go to the Continents and Oceans activity, and you'll do the same thing. Start a new thread, They'll type their name and then they'll answer the question right here in this space. And don't forget to press save when you're finished. So those are things that your child's teacher will be looking for. If we go back to the lesson here, there's one more little assignment that they're going to have, and that's their specials assignment. And this says that please visit Miss Hubbard's course to find the assignment you'll need to complete. And so if you have any questions relating to that assignment, you can always contact Miss Hubbard. She will have the same office hours as your child's teacher. But that's pretty much it of how to work the this inclement weather day assignments. Of course, please let us know if you have any questions. I know this can be an overload of information. One more thing I wanted to share is if your child receives services from ESOL or EIP or special education services, you're going to see inside the resource section a folder with that teacher's name on it with modifications for the assignments to complete for the inclement weather activities. You can also contact those teachers as well during our inclement weather days if you have any questions about their assignments. I hope this video was helpful for you in navigating through these activities. And of course, please feel free to ask any questions as they come. Have a great day. Bye-bye.